A highly sought-after speaker and coach, Elizabeth Suárez is committed to helping professionals unleash their potential by transforming them into skilled negotiators and decision-makers. Through her book, media interviews, and presentations around the country, Elizabeth has inspired hundreds of professionals to advocate for themselves and negotiate for what they want in life.
It's X amount, we don't have any more money. I still say ask. Because you know what, when you have the most power, you know when it is? Before you say yes to the job offer.
Transformation lies at the heart of Elizabeth's speeches, weaving together business advice, subject matter expertise, and real-life experiences. She will equip each member of your audience with the tools they need to develop their path to success.